Hello, guys. It's another episode of the Aux Diary, and I'm here with a beautiful one. I'm going to be showing you how to um, approach a song as an aux pianist with the PSR SX700. If you use XX900, you can still relate to this, and if you use the SX600, of course, you can still relate to this because this voice are also on the SX600 but are more advanced. And if you use the PSR S950 or the 950 or the 750, you can still relate to this because still the same voices and still the same techniques, but just that the SX series from 700 allows you to add more than two sounds. Yeah, to layer more than two sounds. So, but for the S950, the 750, very sorry, you can just layer two sounds. But that's by the way. So I'm going to be showing you how to save to your memory banks and voices you can use during a praise or worship session. And I'm going to be playing to a song by Fred Hammond. I think he did this at TC Worship, yeah. And I'm just going to be playing through if like you're an aux pianist, a beginner aux pianist or an intermediate aux pianist, and you are looking for the right voice to use at a particular time. I'm just going to be showing you an example of what to do, yeah, during the session. So let's dive right in. So I have this voice registered on the registration memory bank. Yeah, and how I did that is this is the sound I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using these two patch. I have them on 4 and 5. So assuming you've picked what you want, the voices you want, and you've regulated the volume and everything. So you just click on memory and click on the number you want to register it under, and it will register there. Here, you get it right. So just click on memory and the number you want to register. So I will play into this song. This ministration by Pastor Fred Hammond, and okay, let's just go. So basically what I was doing there is I had my I had to do a lot of pitch bend and modulation work. Yeah. So as an aux pianist, this should be your friend. So we have the ones that are actually built upward and downward as the modulation, but this joystick is actually built left, right, and up. So this is for the pitch bend and this is for the modulation rather. So so like I said, I used a lot of pitch bend and modulation. So so you get it. And so I'm just going to be playing through again. So So I switched to my synth. So my synth is just on the first layer. So I was just using this. So the synth I was using is the first one is a 1984 synth. So this is how it sounds like. Sorry. get right. So the second one I'm using is a dancey hook. So this is what the dancey hook sounds like. So the combination of both. You get it. So but I have my synth here, the soft R&B. So back to the song. So I'm sure you heard me did. So like I said, this should be your friend. This should be your friend. There are others who are like this. So you can do that's for that one, the one which is upward and downward. But this one is left and right. So just to give it this vibrato and just to make sure the synth does not sound boring. Like I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to solo as a aux player, as an aux player. I'm going to do a tutorial on that, on synth soloing. There's people that just solo. Sorry, they can just solo. Oh, sorry. No, please. You could do with your grace. You could work with your pitch bend. So, like I said, this should be your friend. This should be your friend. You should know how to use this. So, back to the song. I'm going to take it back a little. So like I said, I have my voices on my sound bank. So I have my organ here, I had my organ here, I had my synths here. So I put it closely, so I could easily, like, we have a lot of banks. Hope you know you have a lot of registration banks in what do you call it, on this keyboard. So you could have this as a first layer. You could go to the next. I'm going to be teaching that in my next video. You can go to the next registration bank and it's clean. So you could have these banks for different performances. You could have this for your worship. You could have a lot of worship sounds, a lot of pads. I'm going to be showing you that too. A lot of pads, a lot of strings, a lot of piano. You could use a lot of pluck voices, and on the next registration bank you have your praise. Maybe it's for your praise session or anything you get, or your ministration or whatever you get. So basically this will be the end of this video, and in our next video I'll be showing you how to solo as a synth player and more voices you can use. Some people use only this voice to solo. Let me introduce you to one voice before I go. I use this a lot when I'm soloing, like when I'm giving a shout solo. The solo doesn't have to be calm, so I could just so I have that. I have a soft R&B and the mouth lead. Well, we'll be doing more of this in our next video. Thank you for seeing to the end of the video. See you in my next video. Bye.